I have a water pipe that got busted. There's a long crack right there, probably 3 inches long. So far I cut that out of there, and I'm using this so basically this item costs about $7, and then you need a coupling, so under 10 bucks for this, and it somehow stretches. So the way I researched, the way it works is you push it in all the way, glue that on in there, make sure you don't get any liquid inside because there's a O-ring in there, and then you gotta cut those pipes for this to fit in, and then you glue one side in and then stretch the other side. So let's go ahead and try that. So you can see I got the coupling primered and this end, and then now I'm gonna glue. I'm using this, supposedly rated for underground, hopefully. I got my coupling glued onto this piece. So I'm gonna measure this and cut enough of the piping so this would fit in. Fully pushed in, I'm about 6 1/4. So I gotta have at least 6 1/4 cut out over here. So I marked it with a pencil, and I'm using a multi-tool to cut it. So I don't got nothing else. And it's getting dark. So now I made sure this thing fits in between the holes, and I'm gonna glue here, and then put glue on both of those, and then I have to be quick. So I have to insert one end, and then done, then I have to pull. So this thing pulls out. Don't have much time for that. So I just used one hand, and then I use my fingers to push the side that slides out onto that. As you can see, now I'll wait probably an hour, test it. If I hired somebody, this would have cost me probably a few $100. So it's the next day. I just let it dry overnight just to be on the safe side. Let's turn it on. It was a success. I don't see any leaks.